Hi, Michelle here from Strawberry, and today I'm going to show you exactly how a shoebox is processed at the processing center, as well as inside a bunch of really cool, good shoeboxes to give you lots of ideas. Let's see how my friend Connie, her daughter Anna, and Anna's husband Jett are working on processing shoeboxes. Alright, so what are you doing?
I am pre-inspecting a box, so I look to make sure the label's okay and that it's not marked off. And I'm in here looking for money, if somebody's put money in the box.
Okay, you're inspecting?
Yes, I am.
So what are you doing?
I'm making sure that it doesn't have any of these items in it. So no liquids, no scary items, nothing like that. Checking to make sure everything in the box is good. Now I close it up. I'm kind of doing two jobs. I'm also going to tape it.
Okay.
Because I get bored easy. And then I will shoot it off to the boys area over there.
And what are you doing, sir?
I'm putting little boxes inside of big boxes.
So explain to me what the boxes are.
Well, this box is for a girl who is 10 to 14 years old. So that means that I put it in the girl's box for 10 to 14 year olds, and there's about 15 of these in each box.
And what happens? Is this one full?
I don't know. I'll see what my next few boxes for this one look like, and if they don't fit, then it's full.
Okay.
Well, it fits.
Yay!
So, I scan it with this nifty scanner. Scan the box. There. That's a full box. All the way over to railway station and send it on its way.
Yay! Now let's look inside some of these awesome, amazing shoeboxes that went through the Dallas Processing Center. Look at this cute donkey made out of clothespins, and it has a little card on it that kind of talks about the Christmas story. I loved how this box had a label on the box. This is a cool craft to make. You open it up and it is a crayon wallet. How cool is that? Someone crocheted an octopus. How fun! An adorable sleeping bag made out of a pot holder. We had a whole carton come through of these plastic boxes where an artist colored and drew pictures on top of the boxes. They were so much fun. We enjoyed processing these and looking at all the different Peanuts characters and other things that they drew on top of the boxes. I'm sure a child is really going to love these boxes. Washcloth folded to look like a butterfly. Cool. Beautiful sewing kit. You open it up and this is what you see, and I love all the extra little sparkles and jingles and things. We had several boxes that had different styles and different kinds of menstrual kits, reusable menstrual kits for our older girls, and I think that is just awesome. And here is a bracelet that was worn by somebody who prayed for the girl, so that when she wears it, she'll know that she's been prayed for. And this group had this awesome shirt that everybody on their team was wearing. Let's take another look at how the shoeboxes are inspected and processed, and of course taped so that they will remain intact as they go towards their final destination. Here's Anna again, and she is inspecting the shoebox. She's going to look through all the little things that open and dig around and make sure that there aren't any items that can't be sent inside of her box. This is a cool fork and spoon set that's in its own little box that she found. And once everything has been inspected, she tries to get it back in there the way it came out, puts the lid on, and lets it get taped. This is an adorable little sewing kit with pins all around the outside. And here is a cute little doll made out of pipe cleaners and beads. This cardboard box had this wooden crate inside of the box. Love this playmat with cars. This doll's dress is so cute. But you know what? We have dogs that are working, and this dog is taking a break after sniffing all the boxes that come in to make sure that there's no explosives or anything dangerous. And he's just playing with his handler a little bit and taking a break. Time to get back to work. Let's go, let's go. I want to sniff more boxes. You're never too old to help. This man set his walker to the side as he was helping process boxes. Let's see what the inspector looks for again inside of this nice and full box.
Obsessed. You're so sweet. Thank you. That was fun. So
thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and toodles!